Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. Today we will make a Christmas tree, my most popular design, which many people have wanted to learn how to create. For this we need white and colored paper. White paper can be 160 and more, while colored paper should be thinner. 130 grams per square meter is enough for rolling tight coils. The strips are 10 millimeters wide, although 3 or 5 millimeter strips can also be used. For the base, you can use the thickest paper you have. I have 300 grams per square meter, which works perfectly for this project. You can also use any cardstock base. The next step is glue. You can use any white PVA glue. I prefer glue with a brush because it's convenient for me to apply it to the strips when gluing. However, you can choose any option that works best for you. So let's begin. Take a white strip and roll it into a teardrop shape. This will be the largest teardrop of all in the tree. There will be 12 curved teardrops in total, and 1 teardrop for the top of the tree. To make the teardrop, use the template. Curve the teardrop, trying to make it smooth and as close as possible to the one shown on the template. I will show you 2 different ways to make the teardrop. You can choose whichever method feels more comfortable for you. We start the first drop by bending it little by little, moving from the tip to the middle, and then from the middle to the tip, cutting it while measuring the drop's length using the template. For the second drop, we start from the middle, bend both strips, then measure its length using the template and cut both ends. Put your template with the dark lines on top of your base. Take any blunt tool for drawing lines. Draw along the lines with a little pressure. Your pen or other tool will create indentations on your paper base. Then glue strips of paper directly onto these lines. To give the tree the correct shape, we'll make a small frame using 2 strips of thick paper or 2 rulers. Place the triangular shape on the base so that the drawn strips are inside it, and secure it with tape. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.